Welcome to iCodes, an open source agentic code editor that allows maximum flexibility. In this demo, I will show you how to create your own agent in the iCodes platform. I created this because I was frustrated that all Vibe code platforms I cannot modify or create my own specialized coding agent. To start, I'll select the Claude agent creator from the agent selector. There's two ways to install iCodes, with Docker or clone the repo and install locally. When you first install, you'll need to input your API keys before you can use your agents, and you can do this by clicking on the API key settings button. I'll now type my prompt to ask the agent to create an open router agent. I'll also check in the code specifically for the function I want to replace. I'll edit this video to skip when I'm typing. Now the agent is working, you can walk away and come back in a few minutes. Let's talk a bit about how iCodes Agents works. All these tools and processes you see here are designed to be customizable. It is designed in a way that you can easily customize and add custom widgets using an existing agent. Here are some of the existing built-in widgets. Some of them will include additional debugging functions and can be expanded or collapsed. Now that the task is finished, let's take a look at what the agent has created. By default, newly created custom agents will be under this workspace plugin folder. The one that the agent created is this open router agent. Let's take a look. Now the new agent is created. You can check in the agent selector, and in case it's not there, you can now press the refresh button and the new agent should show up. And that's how easily you can create your own custom agent. Now let's test if the new agent is working. Oops, so we don't have the open router key. Let's add it in. It seems like we have another error coming from OpenRouter, so it seems like we have to pick a correct model handle. Let's take a look. I'm going to pick a Qwen3 coder since we're doing coding and agentic work. Now let's replace this agent model ID with the one we just copied. Great, that's it. The agent we created is finally working. Now let's do a quick test on if it can do tool calls and make file system changes. Great, it is now working perfectly. The tool call errors you see here in the widget, in most cases, are just parsing errors for display. If the agent is saying that they work, it's most likely okay, as it is able to get the correct returns, and the issue is mostly cosmetic on the widget display. Now we have created a few chat sessions. Let me just take a quick minute to rename my chat sessions before they become many new chats. Currently, newly created chat sessions are just named new chat, but later on we'll add more quality of life features like automatically rename chat messages and such. But for now, we'll need to rename these manually. Here I am just removing an empty chat and making sure I am getting the right chat sessions and keep chat history more organized. I'll try to update this README file with the latest changes and quick references in case the interface feels a bit overwhelming at first. We're almost done here. Lastly, I want to use our newly created agent to do some real-world test by creating a simple command line calculator app. While our agent is working, let's summarize. First, we started a new session by filling in Anthropic API keys, asked the agent to create an open router agent just like itself. Then after the agent is created, we did some debugging as it's missing open router keys. And then we looked for a real open router model handle, in this case Qwen3 coder. After that, the custom agent we created is fully working. We then did some history organization, and now asking this new agent we just created to code up a Python calculator. Great, the task is finished. Let's see what it created. It's looking good. Let's try it out. Okay, working as expected. While this is a very simple test, it is a proof of concept that this is working. I hope you're as excited as I am to see the possibility of what this can create.